I've managed to take some amazing photos at BMW London dealership. So, first things first, I, I really need to thank Cody and the staff of BMW London. London, Ontario is the city where I live here in Canada. Everyone was super amazing there, especially Cody. He's a salesperson at the dealership. He invited me and was super friendly, allowed me to take like tons of pictures, stay as long as I could and needed, and allow me to record the photo shoot that I'm bringing for you today. It's a POV style, and I really hope you guys can follow along, can enjoy, and stick with me until the end of the video. Uh, so first, like how it is to shoot inside a dealership, like do car photography inside a dealership, because it's kind of like control environment. You have plenty of light sources, but these can plays against you. There's reflex all over the place, and that is where the CPL filter that I have from Newer play like a huge part in this photo shoot, because the CPL filter helps. Like you see that I'll be like messing a lot with that to avoid the reflex in the cars, and because of the lack of space inside the showroom, there's like lots of cars there. Switching angles is difficult, moving around is difficult, get like the full car in the frame is hard. So it's a great way for me to practice, since I'm trying to do more car photography. I'm trying to break into this industry as a mobile photographer. Plus, here in Canada, it's winter now, so kind of like crazy to do outdoors photography, special cars, where like you spend, I don't know, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours doing that, and is, I don't know, -15, -20 Celsius plus the snow. So it's really hard. So doing that in a controlled environment inside the store, it's super nice. So I hope you guys enjoy, and here's the video. Hey, are you enjoying the video? Liking the photos? So like the video, subscribe, don't forget it. Now, go back to the photo shoot. So I really hope you like this video as much as I did, and I enjoy that go into the dealership and take these pictures. Again, Cody, thank you. I love to come back and do the work again. When I say do the work, it's not a paid gig, but maybe in the future. If you guys are interested in to know how I edit all these videos, there's a video here with like how I edit using Lightroom Mobile. Everything I do is using my iPhone. Photos, editing, and don't forget to like the video. It helps a lot, makes the algorithm working, and deliver this video to a lot of other more people. Subscribe to the channel if you like my content. Share the video with as much people as you can. And there's another POV coming up at Porsche London. Second time I'm going into Porsche London to do a photo shoot. Again, surreal. Those cars are crazy. You see the BMW, like, it's insane. And I catch you guys in the next one.